Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Ashley, aka Pretty Hippie, and I am back with another video. So in this video, I'm just going to be retwisting my hair using the 2-strand twist method. And Lock 'em Up Products sent me their awesome locking solution and Spray and Go Lock Refresher to review. So that's what I'll be using in this video to retwist my hair. So I'm just going to go in and apply oil to my freshly washed hair before I begin the retwisting process. And now I'm just going to take the locking solution and apply it to my hair after I section about 4 locks. And I do 4 locks in the front, and towards the middle of my hair I do 2 locks because my locks in the middle are thicker. So I'm just going to section off 4 locks for now. And now I'm just going to go in and saturate my roots with the locking solution. And begin to retwist my hair. So after I get done retwisting all 4 locks, I'm just going to take them and twist them together. And I'm going left over right because my locks are twisted towards the left. So I'm going to go left over right to make sure that it locks as I twist. And then I'm just going to put a rubber band on the end of the twist. And voila, there you have your first twist. So now we're just going to repeat this process all over. Very simple, just once again taking about 4 locks in the front and applying the locking solution to my roots and just twisting. And then we're going to seal it with a rubber band. So here's how the twist look after about 6 twists. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and speed up this process for you guys. So this is the finished product. I absolutely love my twist, and I would definitely give Lock 'em Up products a big thumbs up because the hold is amazing and it smells so good. Like, I have lemongrass scent all in my bathroom and it's just amazing. And they are all natural, so if you would like to purchase Lock 'em Up products, I will leave their website in the description box below. So now I'm just gonna play around with my hair and put it up in this little cute up down with a bang style. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. And as always, world peace. Bye, guys.